Iran's army receives giant fleet of indigenous drones. The Islamic Republic of Iran Army has received large numbers of strategic combat, reconnaissance, destruction and radar drones. The delivery of the homegrown unmanned aerial vehicles UAVs took place during a ceremony on Tuesday, in the presence of Chief Commander of the Army Major General Abdulrahim Mousavi and Defense Minister Brigadier General Mohammad Reza Ashtiani. The drones were designed and manufactured by the Iranian Defense Ministry in cooperation with Iran's army amid Western sanctions. They included strategic multi-purpose Abale 4 and Abale 5 drones, which are capable of carrying out all kinds of reconnaissance, surveillance, electronic warfare, combat and signal data collection missions. Among the delivered UAVs were Arash and Baver that can perform destruction, along with long-range and precision strike missions, as well as Carer, a jet-powered drone, with the ability to perform a variety of target combat and aerial interception missions. The upgraded drones were equipped with self-protection, anti-electronic warfare and indigenous navigation systems, as well as smart precision strike weapons. They have also special and up-to-date capabilities for use with other weapon and network-based operation systems. Speaking at the ceremony, Mousavi said that the delivery of the drones will definitely improve the combat power of the four branches of the army, namely the Ground Force, Navy, Air Force and Air Defense Force. Everything in the field of UAVs, ranging from design to use against threats, today relies on the domestic capability and knowledge of the country's young scientists, he added. Mousavi noted that the Iranian armed forces have in recent years witnessed auspicious developments, including the delivery of hundreds of drones to the army. Meanwhile, Ashtiani said that the new UAVs will have a significant impact on the combat power of the Islamic Republic of Iran Army.